A patient in her 80s with severe titubations and almost total loss of hearing presented with mature hard cataract. She was denied surgery in other centers due to these comorbidities. Intraoperatively, perivalvular block was given. She was sedated with IV fentanyl and packing was given around the head to reduce the head movement. Still, there was almost complete head shaking throughout the surgery. Capsulorhexis was most challenging as there was high risk of peripheral extension. Combination of cystitome and microcapsulorhexis forceps was used to complete the rhexis. Temporal 2.8 mm section was made and hydrodissection was done. Good nuclear rotation was ensured. Top technique was used to divide the nucleus into smaller pieces. First, heminucleus was divided into smaller pieces and then emulsified. And then second heminucleus was chopped out of the capsular bag into smaller pieces. Complete lack of cortical cushion exposed the posterior capsule and making removal of last piece especially challenging. Hydroblast procedure was done to loosen the cortex. And then bimanual technique was used to remove extremely sticky cortex. Care was taken to keep the cannulae away from posterior capsule. Polishing the posterior capsule was avoided in this case due to possibility of very thin capsule leading to capsular rupture. Hydrophilic IOL was implanted under fluid to reduce surgical time as patient was getting progressively uncooperative as can be seen. Side ports were hydrated and subconjunctival injection of gentamicin and decadron combination was given. The patient had best corrected visual acuity of 6/6 with minimal cylindrical error at the end of 1 week. The take-home message is, it is possible to perform the surgery even in such challenging scenarios. Thank you for your attention.